How to send current location in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can send current location on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To send current location on WhatsApp, first of all, enable location permissions on your phone. Once you turn on location, just go ahead and then open the Google Maps application. If you've not yet downloaded it, you can just head over to your Play Store and then simply search for Google Maps in this case, as you would be able to find it. Because Google Maps is one of the most user friendly ones, I just recommend you actually install this application right over here. So let us wait until we have installed the application. Once we've installed the Google Maps application, what we want to do is we're going to wait for the installation process here. Once this process has been complete, we're going to simply go ahead and then basically open the Google Maps app here. Once you open it up, just track your current location by tapping its GPS icon. Allow Google Maps to use your location and then just go ahead and then just select this option over here. Once you've tracked your current location, what you want to do is we want to share this location. So tap the profile icon from the top right, go to location sharing, then tap on share location, tap on allow. Once you've done that, you can see until when do you want to share your location, until 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or until you turn it off. If you select more, you can just select those options, and from the bottom you can just select WhatsApp as your social media here. Once you select WhatsApp, tap on the share option, tap on allow over here, tap on go to settings, allow all the time location access, come back, tap on continue, allow the notifications as well. It will open up in a WhatsApp chat. Just select a person to whom you might want to send a location to. After you do that, hit the send button and then hit the send button. Whenever the person taps on that location, they're going to be redirected to your location page, as you would be able to find it. Until you want to cancel it, you can just select this option, tap on stop, and then you can stop sharing the location. This way you can share location on WhatsApp. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.